I'm going to show you how to create a grain, text, image, picture, or a photo-free effect in Adobe Photoshop CC completely for free. The first way to add a gradient is to right-click on your text, click on Blending Options. Once opened up and loaded, you want to scroll down until you see the option Gradient Overlay. And now as you can see, you want to click the check mark. As you see, you have different options under gradients. You have numerous options right here you can choose from the gradients and different colors in this case. And now if you want to experiment around with this, you can choose a different color, choose a gradient type, a percentage, and if you're happy and satisfied of your choice, click on OK. You even have other options as well, dither, reverse, or to align with the layer. You even have different styles from reflected to linear to radical angle. And now as you can see, you can choose the angle of the gradients on your text, and you can even scale in and scale out of the effect. And now if you want to be more precise, click on gradients. A bonus tip and trick is that if you want to add a gradient, click on your keyboard